Welcome to Social Science class. In this video, I'll explain you chapter number 24, Home and Abroad. Now it's time for mind mapping. Let's start with Kerala. When I say Kerala, many things come in your mind, like south of India, Malayalam, coconut trees, etc. But when I say Abu Dhabi, different words come to your mind, like UAE, date fruit, desert, etc. Aims and objectives. To know about Malu's family, to know about United Arab Emirates, to know about lifestyle of people in Abu Dhabi. So, dear kids, this chapter is about Malu's family. You will also come to know about Abu Dhabi and Kerala. Today, there was a lot of activity at Malu's house. Chittappan and his family were coming home after 5 years. 5 years ago, Chittappan had got a job in the capital city of United Arab Emirates called Abu Dhabi. Since then he had lived there. Children, do you know? In short, we say UAE to United Arab Emirates. Malu and her appa went to the airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Chittappan, Kunjamma and their 2 children could be seen coming out. How big Shanta and Shashi have grown, Appa said. Soon, the many suitcases and bags were fitted into the taxi and everyone was on the way to Malu's house. Shanta, you must be tired after your long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is far from India, said Malu. Kids, do you know who is Chittappan? Father's younger brother in Malayalam is known as Chittappan, and Kunjamma is father's younger brother's wife in Malayalam is called Kunjamma. We are not tired. Even though it is far, our flight took only 2 hours, said Shanta. The plane flies very fast. Malu was surprised. She remembered that when she had gone on a school trip to Chennai, they had spent almost 12 hours in the train. And on the map, Kochi and Chennai seemed quite near. Do you know, children, why is it so? Because plane flies very fast. Though Abu Dhabi is not so near to India, but they reached in 2 hours because they travelled by a plane. Dust all around. Did you see many interesting things from the plane? Asked Malu. Most of the time we saw only cloud because the plane was flying so high, even higher than the cloud, said Shanta. But before it went so high, we could see that we were flying over sandy areas. It was sand, but the color of the sand kept changing. White, brown, yellow, red, black. We saw mountains made only of sand. They are called sand dunes, said Shashi. I have seen sand only at the seashore, said Malu. Then you should come to visit us, said Chitappan. The countries around Abu Dhabi are located in the desert area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, one can see miles and miles of sand, no trees, no greenery, just sand. The children have almost forgotten how it feels when it rains. You know, it almost never rains in desert areas. Water is really very precious over there. No rain, no rivers, no lakes, no ponds. Even below the ground, there is no water. But, Shashi added, there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil. So, petrol is easily available in these countries. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water, said Chitappan. By this time, the taxi had reached Malu's house. Shanta and Shashi were surprised to see so many fruit trees, coconuts, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, betel nut. So many kinds of trees, Shashi said. We used to see only one kind of tree there, the date palm, because it is the only one that can grow in the desert area. The date is the most common fruit in Abu Dhabi. After they had met everyone, Kunjamma unpacked their bags. They had brought gifts for everyone. They gave dates to everyone to eat. The dates were very sweet and tasty. Shashi showed Malu some notes and coins. Shanta explained that the money they use in Abu Dhabi was different and was called dirham. It had some writings in their local language, Arabic. It means the currency of Abu Dhabi is dirham and the language is Arabic. They also showed many photographs of the place where they lived. Chitappan gave Malu a globe. He said, Malu, why don't you locate Abu Dhabi on this? Locate Kerala also. The children enjoyed playing with the globe and looking for different places on the globe. Malu found Chennai and Kochi also. Look at the map, kids. Here, two dots are shown by red color. On the right side, it's India, and on the left side, it's Abu Dhabi. In the evening, everyone sat in the veranda, enjoying the breeze and looking at the photographs. They saw that in Abu Dhabi, the buildings were tall with many stories and big glass windows. Malu said, "You must be getting nice cool breeze through the big windows." Chitappan said, No, we cannot open the windows because of the heat. It is air conditioned inside. As the weather is very hot, people wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is covered. This protects from the strong sun. Malu enjoyed looking at the pictures and finding out about the other countries from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her city with the things that they described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. And, dear children, in this way, all family members come to know the difference in Kerala and Abu Dhabi. Now, let's do some new terms. Airport, a place where an aeroplane lands and take off. Desert, a vast barren land of sand with less vegetation and rainfall. Sand dunes, the mountains of sand in the desert. Chitappan, father's younger brother in Malayalam, is known as Chitappan. Kunjamma, father's younger brother's wife in Malayalam, is known as Kunjamma. I hope the chapter is clear to you, children. Thank you.